All right, so here we are for Wednesday writing, April 22nd. I brought my friends with me. I've got Owen and Cooper, and Cooper is going to show you his picture that he created after watching that shape video about the cockatoo and the tiger. He doesn't want to talk, so I'll talk to you a little bit, but he's used lots of different shapes to make a house, a big tree. My favorite part of his picture here is the giraffe. He's made some signs, like a stop sign and a dead end sign. He's got a person, a couple other animals, and then this nice big tree over here. So you can see by looking at his picture, he's used lots of different shapes to create those things in his picture. Okay, and then I'm gonna have Owen share his with you. His is kind of still a work in progress. I made him try to hurry up here.
So mine is a house, and I made like an American flag. It has a square in it, and there's a chimney on the house, and there's circles for like the dust and the smoke that comes out of the house. And then this thing right here on the ground, that's a hot tub, and all these bubbles are like the heat that comes out of the water.
All right, thank you for sharing that. So for writing today, we're actually kind of making a math connection. So you're gonna take a look at your picture that you created, and then I've just grabbed a piece of scrap paper here. I'm going to write down the names of the shapes I used. So when I look at my picture, I used triangles. I got lots of triangles. I used some rectangles. And so I'm just writing a list right now of the shapes I've used. I used some ovals, and I used some circles, and I used some trapezoids. And if I find any more while I'm looking at my picture, I can go back and add those to my list. But so that's the first thing I did. I looked at my picture, and then I made a list of the shapes that I've used. And now here's our math connection, because you're gonna go back through your picture and you're going to count how many you used, and you're going to put those into a tally chart. So when I look at my picture and I start counting how many triangles I've used, ooh, I used a bunch. Let me hold this back up here. All right, I'm gonna start at the top here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and my son makes 41. And so now I've got to go to my list, and I've got to make tallies for 41 triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember the fifth one falls down? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. And you might separate your list if you're going to end up with lots of tally marks like I had. I don't want them to run into each other. So then I would go and I'd look at my picture. My rectangles are just right here. Can you count those? I've got 1, 2, 3. This one ends up being more of a trapezoid. So for my rectangles, much easier, 3 rectangles. So I would go ahead and finish my chart by counting all the shapes that I used and putting those tallies down, and that's all you have to do for today. Make a list of your shapes, count them up, tally them, and then you'll be done with your writing for today. Thank you.